best to keep my expectations low, but I've got my head in the clouds, where I'm safe from the madding crowds. My hopes are high and more, 'cause that's what hopes are for. I build castles in the air, and I plan to live up there. Call me a fool, but I'm sure that that's what hopes are for. And I count my chickens while they're still eggs. It's easier than when they've got legs. Don't hold my horses, give 'em free rein of courses. And I don't wait for that shoe to fall. No, I don't even wait at all. Why look, just leap. I'd sell my cow for some magic beans, 'cause I've got my head in the